Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we have a pretty small mod. I don't know if you guys remember back when I started this channel, I told myself the main thing I want to do here is document everything. My last two builds, I thought I had pretty nice builds, but I had nothing to show for it. And then I don't even remember half the parts I installed. But with this one, I just want to document the whole journey. And who knows, maybe when I'm 70 years old one day, I'll look back on it and be like, damn, that's my car. But yeah, so let me take you through it. It's a Goldenwrench product that we got today. It's pretty much going to be a replacement for one of the plastic parts inside the car, and I think you guys are going to like it. So let me know what you guys think in the comment after you see it installed. All right, guys, so we have a Blackline product. So we got going here. So we have the hardware, and this is really good quality. So this is the handle that's going to replace the stock handle within the car. You got to pull it twice and the hood pops open. So this will be a pretty nice piece of jewelry for the interior. Let's see what the stock one looks like. Alright, so if you look down there, you're going to do two pulls here. And yeah, so we're going to replace that out. And I think it should be quick, so let's see how it is. Alright guys, so this should be a fairly simple installation. We got the handle, the hardware, and I'm thinking we're just going to need a flathead. So once you pull this twice, there should be, if I could get it on camera for you guys, kind of like a tab right there. Here, let me get my flashlight on for you guys. So if you look here, kind of see that tab right there. So if I just go like this, here, I put a flashlight on it. You're just gonna pull that tab down. So I'm gonna take the flathead, hold up. There we go. See that just came out? I'm gonna pull it out now. Oh, it's simple. Just comes right off like that. So we got this. And then we just take that off. So this literally went like that. Easy installation. So yeah, looks like this is the kind of route it goes in. So if you look at the, oh, right there, that's it. New one's going to be installed just like that. So let me get this out. Comparing these two, okay. That's the clip. They gave us two clips, so let's kind of try to match the clip size. This is this one. Oh, they just gave us identical ones, so that's fine. Probably like that. Shouldn't matter, so it will use that. Put this one back in there. All right. So we're gonna have this going like that. Whew. This is nice, guys. Let me get my flashlight back on. So that's in. Let me take this. I don't think it matters. You know what? Let's see. I gotta squeeze it. Nope. Oh, it's definitely gonna go like this, guys. So it's gonna go like that. I'm gonna put this right here. Lift this up. Got some space. Put that there. All right, it's about to, see that? I have it in. If you guys could see, I don't know if the GoPro's showing it too, but yeah, it's in. Just gonna click it in. Oh, this is sick. Look at that color, man. We got plastic. Some new piece of jewelry right there. All right, guys. Let me get the hood closed and then, wow, this looks nice. I think I gotta get the rest of the pieces now. They have some engine bay pieces and also the fuel cap. So yeah, I guess I'll order those as well. Thank you, IND.